Picture this. You're at a delightful dinner, sipping on a rich red wine, and in an unexpected turn, your glass tips and splashes its contents on your pristine white shirt. We've all been there, and it's not a pleasant sight. But don't let this common mishap ruin your evening or your shirt. I've been through this wine warfare enough times to have gathered some effective tactics to combat those stubborn red stains. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps and share some personal insights to help you reclaim your beloved white shirt from the clutches of red wine. Immediate action steps. First things first, when red wine hits your shirt, you've got to act fast. Here's what you need to do. 1. Blot, don't rub. Grab a clean cloth or napkin and gently blot the stain. Remember, rubbing will only spread the wine and make the stain worse. 2. Cold water rinse. As soon as you can, run cold water over the stain. This helps to dilute the wine and prevent it from setting in. 3. Salt to the rescue. If you're at home, immediately cover the stain with a good amount of table salt. The salt absorbs the wine, drawing it out of the fabric. The pre-wash battle. Before you toss your shirt into the washing machine, it's crucial to pre-treat the stain. 1. The boiling water technique. This works wonders on fresh stains. Stretch the stained part over a bowl and secure it. Then, pour boiling water from a height onto the stain. The pressure and heat help to dislodge the wine. 2. Baking soda and vinegar. Create a paste with baking soda and water and apply it to the stain. Then, gently pour some white vinegar over it. The fizzing action helps lift the stain from the fabric. 3. Commercial stain removers. If you have a commercial stain remover, now's the time to put it to the test. Just make sure to follow the instructions on the label. The washing process. After pre-treating, it's time for a gentle wash. 1. Cold water wash. Always wash the shirt in cold water. Hot water can set the stain, making it a permanent part of your shirt. 2. Dry carefully. Never put your shirt in the dryer unless you're certain the stain is gone. Heat can permanently set the stain. Extra tips and lifesavers. Swift action. The sooner you start treating the stain, the better your chances of removing it completely. Spot test. Always test a new cleaning method on a hidden part of the shirt first. White wine tactic. Believe it or not, pouring white wine over a red wine stain can help neutralize it. Then, follow the regular cleaning process. Alcohol wipes. These can be a lifesaver for on-the-go incidents. Keep a pack in your purse or car. Hydrogen peroxide mix. For really tough stains, mix equal parts hydrogen peroxide and dish soap. Apply, let it sit, then wash. Professional cleaning. When in doubt, especially with delicate fabrics, take your shirt to a professional cleaner. Prevention tip. Consider treating your white shirts with a fabric protector spray. It can make future spills easier to handle. Red wine stains on a white shirt can be a daunting challenge, but with the right approach, they don't have to be a disaster. Quick action, proper pre-treatment, and careful washing are your best friends in this battle. Keep in mind these tips and tricks, and the next time you're faced with a wine spill, you'll handle it like a pro. So go ahead, enjoy your wine, and remember, even if a spill happens, it's not the end of your favorite white shirt. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.